If you're thinking about leaving, let me know. If you're thinking that you don't wanna hurt me, coward, I'm getting bored. 'Cause I can find another, so don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time, 'cause that is what you came here for. Oh, yeah. This is what we gonna do. You never come clean and you never come through. Take your shit and don't come back. Looking so surprised how you could do me like that. You think it was all up to you. Give me some space, I don't care what you do. And give me back my money too. 'Cause I'm going out tonight. Before you do anything stupid, think before you speak your mind. 'Cause I am on a roll, yeah, so don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time, 'cause that is what you came here for, right? Oh, yeah. This is what we gonna do. Oh, you never come clean and you never come through, yeah. Surprised how you could do me like that. It was all up to you. Oh, give me some space, I don't care what you do. Give me back my money too. 'Cause I'm going out tonight. I'm gonna leave it all behind. I won't let him get into my mind, no, yeah. He thinks he can. He's a man. Oh, won't let it steal away my shine now. Get up and try again. Oh, I won't let him get into my mind now. Oh, he thinks he can, 'cause he's a man, but he is just a boy. Our friends, it's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow? It grows stronger for every watching me when we're with our friends. There's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there. So let's take it from there. Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow?